Hi, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome if you are new, and if you are one of my subscribers, welcome back, bestie. I am so happy that you all came by to check me out, see what I'm up to. For those of you who know me, y'all know I don't spend a lot of time out here on the deck or outside in the summertime, but I thought that I would do better and make more of an effort to spruce up my deck. So, having said that, I just got back from Walmart, and I'm gonna try to do a little sprucing up, guys. So I'm refreshing my wind chime, one, and I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see. I don't know if you can even see it. See that? How old that is? That needs to be spruced up. So I'm gonna take these old ones off. This one is super old. And I'm gonna put this new one here. Down this side. So I put that up there, and now I'm going to, you see what I have planned, but it's so cold out here today, guys, I don't think I can do it. So there might have to be a part 2 of this video, but what I decided I can do is plant these flowers. So that's what I'm gonna try to do now. And if I get some dirt on the deck, it's okay, I'll sweep it off. So I have these on the side of my house. These are dianthus. See that? And you can see the price at Walmart. These are so pretty. And the thing about it is, I don't buy too many annuals because in the back here, you can see back here, it's kind of wooded. So we have Bambi and the friends that come by, and they're always looking for something to eat. So I try to buy perennials that are deer resistant, which this is one, because I have them on the side of my house and they haven't eaten them. But this time I'm going to put them in a pot. So I have 2 of these, and they spread, so I might just put one in a pot. I have a couple of pots that I need to fix. And then I got this one, excuse me guys, which is Spanish lavender, and I got this at Walmart too. So this was $9.88, and I only got one because I've never had this, so I'm just going to see how this works out this year. So I might put a couple in this pot, and then maybe one in another pot. So I'm going to come right back. I have to put some holes in this pot. I'll be right back. mix it up a little bit. Ooh, where is cold out here? Goodness. Porch furniture out, but let me just show you. I'm gonna take you off the ring and I'm gonna show you some of the plants that I already have. Okay guys, I'm gonna take you on a swing around on the deck. So you guys will remember that I bought this cute little plant stand chair. It's a welcome chair plant stand, and I got that from Big Lots. I want to say back in February, and I guess it was about $14.88. And I just thought that is so adorable. So in that pot, I have coleus and begonias. And as you see here, I have my dianthesis. I just potted. So that's a perennial, and that will spread. If it gets too big for this pot, then I'll just put it back out in the yard. And in this pot, I have more coleus and begonias. And what's nice about the coleus is that you can actually bring them inside. I have brought some inside some years ago. I haven't done it lately because I actually don't bring plants inside that have been outside because I don't want any bugs or anything to get in on my indoor plants. So in this pot, I have petunias, which I need to put a little bit more dirt in because when I first bought that, I didn't have enough dirt, but it's surviving. It was enough to survive. And so here also I have some more petunias. And this plant stand I got from Lowe's some time ago. I can't remember. It's been so long. And in this pot, I need to put another plant. I'm looking for the right thing. I'll probably put an annual, some small annual there. These are the old wind chimes, and I'm trying to think if I should, you know, I try to be thrifty and practical, so I might do something with them. They need some help. I need to spray paint them or do something with them, but this is a new one. As you can hear it, I had to refresh that. So let's move around. Oh, let me just show you. So down here, you can see I need to do some work down there, guys. I haven't done anything down there in quite some time. I need an indoor-outdoor rug. First, I need to spray paint, get that mold off of there, you know, wash it off. And there's something that I want to pick up from Lowe's that'll do the trick. So that's on my list of to-dos. So in that pot are mums, and I might put the ones in that pot from last year died, so I'm going to put probably some of them, try it again, and put some mums in that one. And usually, like my old chairs, I put them down here because really nobody, you know, no one really sits down there. I don't know why, they just don't. Everybody stays up on the deck. So going over here, have a tomato plant, and up here I have no clue as to what this is. It's a perennial. It comes back every year, and it's starting to push out the pot. You can see the pot is old, so I'm going to refresh that as well. If not this year, sometime. You know, I'm a procrastinator, guys. Did you all know that? I'm a procrastinator. And here's some mums, and I like them. You can see they're already coming up. They have come up quite nicely. By the fall, by September, oh, these will be gorgeous. And over here, I have some more mums. And over here is my Spanish lavender. So that's what's going on the porch, on the deck. Okay. Here's my beautiful hydrangea. And they'll produce some pretty flowers. And then in the fall, I will cut them and dry them to use in floral arrangements. Now here's the dianthesis. You can see how pretty that is. Now here's a hosta plant, and unfortunately I had 3 more there, but the deer, for some reason, they love hostas, so this might stay out there for a minute, and then when it produces shoots, the deer sometimes they just come over and they eat it up. So I'm gonna have to find something else to put there. And this yellow flowering plant, I don't know what it is, but it's really beautiful. And so, like I said, these are perennials. They come back every year. I rarely do annuals, and when I do, as you can see, they're up on my deck. I got that bush from a nursery. Don't know what it is. It's a slow-growing bush, and it's hanging in there. Over here, I have some chickens and hens. I'm going to take those out, and maybe I'll put those where the hostas are, because chickens and hens spread. And you know what I love about them? Low maintenance, guys. You don't have to be out here fiddling with them all the time. Okay, so these are lavender. This is lavender, and this kind of spreads. It may spread a little more bumblebees like this, so that's really nice. I don't know what this is, but this will almost take over this whole area all the way out to here. That's why I don't have anything, because that spreads like wildflower, but it's really pretty. I get a lot of compliments on it. If you guys know what it is, you can leave it in a comment below. I saw them once when I was in Texas, because my son went to school there. He had a football scholarship. So I saw them and I fell in love with them. And I found them at a nursery here in Maryland, planted them. Unbeknownst to me, I didn't know they spread like that. Then here's I don't know, I guess this is more like a winter shrub. It's slow growing, but I love this. And then here's some more plants that shrubbery, I guess you can say, that I've purchased since we've been here. And again, this produces really white, nice white flowers as well. I don't know what that is though. So maybe some of you guys who are more maybe outdoorsy than I am, because I guess I do my fair share, but I don't always remember the names of these bushes. They've been here for so long, I can't remember the name of them. You guys forgive me. You know, for the life, I think these are called gladiolas. So the ones in the back are the tall ones, but they're not getting as tall. They take a long time, but these in the front, these are like a variation of gladiolas. I got those from a nursery, and they've gotten really bushy. So we had a lot of rain, and it kind of knocked them down. Hopefully they're kind of straighten up some. And then here's some more. And all of a sudden, these escape me. I can't think of what these are. I'll think of them later. But these produce like orange shoots. And they're also perennials. You see how big they're getting. My bushes need to be trimmed. But the deer will come and eat the petals off of these as well. So they have been known to do that.